Before I start with this presentation, I just want to say that this is my personal tool. I paid with my own money and I didn't receive any kind of money or compensation from the producer, distributor or anybody else. Hello everybody, today I have a new tool in my shop and we are going to do unpacking and first look and a little bit testing at the end. This is the orbital sender from INGCO. Model is 320 watts. There is only one other marking here at this place. It says RS3216. That is all about the type of this rotary sender. This is the rotary sender with the speed regulation, and the diameter of the disc is 125 millimeters. That's it. Let's open the box to see what is inside. Okay, as you can see, it's very simple. We have this is the warranty, 1 year small manual, dust collector. This is the orbital sender, and also in the box we have 2 more items, 5 pieces of sandpaper, and this is the graphite, let me say, parts for the rotor. Okay, so now we can start with a small review of the tool. First, I would like to talk about one thing that is very important for me. Every time when I buy a power tool, I pay special attention of the length of the cable. This one is almost 2 meters, has 2 meters in length, very nice feature, especially when you need a lot of space to work. For the design of the orbital sender itself, if you look at it, it is very common design. There are other producers with a very similar design on the market, but that is not our concern at this moment. This orbital sender has a switch on and off at the front. It is protected by the rubber, very nice feature, and it's clearly marked 1 and 0, just so you don't confuse yourself during work. From the right side we have a knob for regulation of the speed. You can clearly hear, click every time you change the speed settings. It goes from 1 to 6, and the speed range is from 8,000 to 13,000 movements. Let's say it is not classical rotation per minute. Let's say it is a movement because it's not quite a simple circle all the time. At the back we have a dust extraction outlet. There are 2 rubber rings here, and this is the system for the collection of the dust. It fits very nicely, very easy. There is nothing special to it. For the extraction of the dust, there is no zipper here. There is nothing, only spring inside, and when you want to dispense the dust, then you do this. Let's look at the lower side. This is the working end. It is the classical 125 mm disc with 8 holes for the extraction of the dust. And through the holes, I don't know if you can see it or you can see it from the side, you can clearly see the aluminum rotor of this body. It's quite heavy, so that is one of the signs that this is the nice tool. About the technical data for this rotary tool, for this rotary sender, I can tell you only that is the 320 watts, nothing more and nothing special to it. Okay, it is a very simple tool. Now we can start working with it and to see what kind of a performance can we get from this tool. Okay, I'm ready to start the test. At the beginning I just want to show you the natural sound of this orbital sender. I'm going to start with the speed 1 and then I'm gradually going up to 6. That was the original sound of the machine. This is our board that we are going to work on. I'm going to start with the grid 60 And for the attaching of the sandpaper to the sander, I'm going to use this attachment from BOSCH. It fits here also. And now I have a perfectly positioned sanding paper. Okay, now we are going to start. I'm going to work with the setting 5 on the speed. That was the first phase with the 60 grit. That was normal speed, nothing was speed up. And now I'm going to work with the 120 grit. As you can see, there is a very small amount of dust right where it's supposed to be, towards the holes for the dust extraction. Let's put the 120 grit. And continue with our test. Okay, so now let's see the result. As you can see, this was one very rough board without any preparation in front of it, and now I have a very smooth surface. I cannot see any waves or something scratches on the board. That means that this sander has a very nice rotation move, eccentrical, and there is no visible marks on this board. All in all, I'm satisfied with this tool, and I think that I made a very nice purchase with it, because it costs half of the price of the normal or the brand, Sandpaper brand orbital sander. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you like this kind of a video on my channel, there are another videos on similar subjects. Thank you once again. I welcome you to become a member of my channel, to become a subscriber, and see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye.